Good morning, students. Our today topic is elementary concept of Python. Earlier also we have done 3 classes on this topic in classroom, and today's class we will see the further topics of this. Before going on that, we will do the quick revision of some of these topics like character sets, introductions. As you know, Python is a programming and logical language, and it have character sets. Means each and every language have some character sets. Okay, so it identifies the letter by that, like letters, digits, special cases. One thing you have to remember here: letters A to Z uppercase and A to Z in lowercase. Means lowercase and the uppercase both are different. As earlier we have also talked about on that. And symbols, keywords are some predefined words and reserved words in Python that directly we use. Okay, like and operator, print operator, comma operator, these all the things we have used there in keywords. Okay, so move on next page. Our next page, variables, that also we have completed. Variable is a predefined, means variable is a meaningful name that stores in the location in computer memory, which is used to store data. Okay, and variable name cannot be started by the numbers. Okay, as we have already completed these rules of the variable names. So move to the next. Okay, now this is our topic, comments in Python. What is comments? To make your code more readable, there is need you have to use commands in your code. Means, let us suppose that you are writing a code to add 2 numbers simply, and if you think if someone will come in my code and by the first starting line he will understand what is purpose of my code, so you have to use commands. Okay, let us suppose I have to add 2 numbers, then I will use command to add 2 numbers. Okay, program to add 2 numbers. Simply after that I started writing the code. And how you can add the commands? By using the hashtag. Means in the line, in the starting, you have to use hashtag symbol. After that, whatever you will write in that particular line, that will not execute. Okay, so in this also, here we use hashtag. This is a new line command, means this code will not execute when you will run the program. After that, here also one more thing, command with a line of code, means this code will not run here also. And the other things, whatever you will write behind of that, these all the things will execute. So basically we use the commands to make our code more readable and to make it more understandable to others. Okay, the print statement, a lot of time we have used this, means under of the print statement, whatever you will write, that will execute if it is under of the quotation. Or if you take any variable name already defined that value, after that you will put that word under of the print statement, that time also it will execute. Okay, and it is a predefined keyword that Python provides us. Okay, remember one more thing, predefined keywords we cannot use for the variable names. Okay, so any instruction that the Python interpreter executes is called a statement. A script usually contains a sequence of statements. The print statement prints the output on the Python shell or Python command. Okay, as earlier also we have seen this. Like this time we can write, or we can use the parenthesis bracket under that we can write our code. Okay, so move to the next explanation. It is giving how you can use the statement. Okay, use of concatenation operator in print statement. Okay, concatenation operations means adding 2 strings is known as concatenation. Okay, the concatenation operator means plus sign. Here the concatenation operator is plus. Okay, it works as a concatenation. That's why we say this a concatenation operator. Okay, combines the multiple strings. means multiple string. It combines the multiple strings like A and B. If you have to add both the strings, then we use concatenation operator for that. Okay, multiple strings and prints them in the same line without the any space separator, means without containing the space between both of strings. It print directly. If we will use plus sign between them, that is nothing here, are concatenation operator. Okay, I hope you understand this. Here one example. My name is, it will print this. Here is a comma operator, means by the use of comma operator, let I tell you, we can print multiple things in one. Okay, so comma as by the using of comma operator, after that we give one string Shivani and plus Jan, second string, means without containing any space, it will print it directly. I hope you understand. So let's move on the next page. Operators. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables. As you know, there are various types of operators like arithmetic operators, here, relational operators, and one more logical operators. We will learn all three operators one by one. So let's start from the arithmetic operators. These operators perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Okay, so one by one. Here is a plus operator, that is under of the arithmetic operator. It is used to add two or more than two values. Okay. Second is subtraction. As you know, you use the minus sign for subtract the values two or more. Similar you can use. Here is one star sign. Here in the computer, the star sign is works as a multiplication operator. Okay, to multiply two values or more than two values, we use star operator. Okay, it is a divide operator, means it used to divide values. We use that. Okay, after that modulus. In modulus, what modulus do? When you divide 3 by 2, then remainder will come 1. Okay, so it will gives us remainder. Okay, to get the remainder we use modulus. It is looking like a percentage, but it is not percentage, it is a modulus operator here. Okay, so move to the next page. Okay, relational operator. Relational operator compares two values, either the true or false. Means relational operator gives us we can compare two values here and get the output true either or false. Okay, here first one is less than. Compares two values and return true if left value is less than the right value. Then means it will compare two values. Let us suppose in the left side is 3 and in the right side is 5. Means left side value is less than comparison to right side value, then it will return to less than operator. Okay, next is less than equal to operator. Here it also compares two values. In this one more thing is here, the left value is less than or equal to, then it will return the true, otherwise it will return false. Means if the left value equal to, then okay, and equal to, then is also okay, otherwise it will return false. Okay, greater than operator, it is opposite to the less than operator. Means here left value should be greater than, okay, then it will return true, otherwise false. Greater than equal to operator, that is opposite to less than equal operators. Means the left side value should be greater than or equal to, that time it will return true, otherwise false. And equal to operator. Okay, here is double equal to sign, that is in Python we use equal to. Means single equal to we use to assign the values in the variable. Double equal to is actually equal to in Python. Okay, when we have to compare two values by the equal to sign, we have to use double equal to in Python. Okay, single equal to be used to assign the value of variable in variable length. Like earlier we have done a equal to 20, number equal to 20, means b was using equal to and assigning the value 20 in the a. Okay, here then what is how we can use equal to? We can use equal to by the double equal to sign here. Okay, and not equal to, it is an exclamation mark and equal to, it means not equal to. Okay, when we have to say like that, they both are not equal to and make a condition, they both are not equal to, then we have to use exclamation mark and equal to sign, that is not equal to. It's me. Okay, now third is the logical operators. In logical operators, we use the logical operators are used to compare more than one relations. Means more than one relation when we have to compare, that time we use logical operators. Expression and they also return either true or false, means all the operators are giving only the two values, either the true or false. Because when we compare two or more than two values, then what we will get, true or false. Okay, so and return true only if both the relation expression are true, and returns true only when both, means first condition, when we will provide two conditions to the AND operators, when the first comparison is 2, means like that 3 is less than 5 is 2, first is 2, and second is like I am giving that 7 is less than 10, this is also true, then both the statements is true, then it will return true. If out of both any statement is false, then it will return false. Here is one example, y is greater than x and y is greater than z, will return false as only one explanation is true. Means if only one explanation is true out of two, then it will return false, otherwise true. If all the conditions, means generally you can say that and will return true if all the conditions are true. Okay, and now OR operator returns true if any of the relational explanation is true. If OR gets 1 true, then it will return true. Okay, if Sam, two things I will pass in OR operators, one is false and one is true, then OR will return true. If you will get at least 1 true in OR, then you will get the output true. If all the conditions are false, in that condition with the OR operator you will get output as false. Last, NOT operator, means if you will give here true, then it will make the condition false, and if you will give false, then it will make it true, means opposite, it will do the opposite. If it is true, then false, if it false, then true. So here we have completed our chapter, and our today class is till here, and I will provide this chapter book exercise to you, and thank you so much. I hope you will do your work at your. Thank you so much.